here's what you're gonna need. This is my jumbo braid African collection, and it's like really nice. You guys know this Kanekalon hair. Need a scissor. You're definitely gonna need some super stretch rubber bands. These are my little hair clips that you put in to make the hair look, you know, cool. My big brush, I like this big paddle brush for my hair. I use my concoction of water, my castor oil here, and my Cantu leave-in conditioner. This I spray in my hair before I put my braids in. And that's everything you're gonna need for this look, guys. Hope you enjoy the video. So this time I've decided to do a different style with my hair. I'm using my actual beautiful locks, okay? And I'm going to put in box twists braids, jumbo box twist braids. It's kind of a lazy style for me because I don't like doing the 3-strand braid all the way down and to my freaking knees. So I'm gonna keep them short. I really like short braids. I know the long ones are like goddess and just long and just, oh my god, she's so amazing. But the short ones could be, oh my gosh, she's so amazing as well. So that's what I'm about to do. Let's go. First, you're gonna cut off your rubber band from your hair because you don't need it. Then you're gonna separate your hair into small little sections like this. I separated a bunch in my workspace so that I can move through my hair quicker. And now I'm gonna go ahead and start with my hair using my leave-in conditioner concoction. And then I brush my hair out just to make it easier for me to work with. Then I grab one of my separated hair sections and I start to kind of hook it around my hair that's growing out of my scalp. You see my curly hair on the left, and then you see my hair extensions on the right, and it's just a little hook. Then I give it a nice little twist there, and I begin to gently braid the hair downwards, all while not giving too much tension on the roots. I'm just gently plaiting it. This next part is a little tricky. I'm actually just brushing out my hair so everybody's going the same direction, and I'm simply going to split my own hair here. This is my curly hair. I'm splitting that in two, putting one piece on the other side and one piece on the opposite side. See how it's just split in two halves? Once I got them into two halves, I start to twist. One twist at first. Then separately, I'm going to twist each side away from each other. Notice that both sides are being individually twisted the opposite direction. This is going to give me a nice tight twist right here so it doesn't unravel. And as I go down, I still continued that twisting motion with my wrist to make sure that this hair does not unravel. And I do it just like this all the way down to the end. Well, I don't go all the way to the end. I do cut it because I don't plan on having these braids to be this long. So I cut it and I use my trusty rubber band to get the end secured. And basically I'm just gonna speed through most of it. I am doing the same thing repeated all over my head, and I put my plaits in, turn it into a nice little twist, and then I secure the end with a rubber band. Altogether, this entire process took me about 5 hours, guys. So yeah, you're gonna have to have a lot of patience. If you're not a patient person, I do apologize that this particular style may not be for you. I have tons and tons of patience. Plus I did this hairstyle on the weekend, so I didn't have much to distract me. I just kind of played some music and did my plaits. And I am basically finished here. I am not gonna leave my hair like this. I am going to cut it these little ends are gonna get snipped. And for that part, it's pretty simple. All you do is put your rubber band right at the length on the braid that you want it to be. And then you literally use your scissors and cut right underneath the rubber band. And by doing so all over my head, I got the perfect mid-length bob. I'm perfectly happy and fine with leaving my edges out like this because that's what my hair looks like naturally. But because I like it to look a little bit more sleek and prim, right? I am going to lay them down. Today, my product of choice is Eco Style Gel. Use whatever you would like to use, okay? And after I finish my baby hairs, I am basically done. I'm putting in my little embellishments, my cute little clips. You know, it gives the hair just a little extra kick. And then once I get that squared away, I'm finished. I just want to give you guys a close-up of the ends. I use my rubber bands here, and this is how my hair looks at the roots. I don't do my plaits really tight. I'm tender-headed, super tender-headed, so nobody touches my hair but me. My lines aren't real straight, my partings aren't real straight, but you know what? I'm still happy with my hair, and you should be too when you try it. Don't ever get stressed out or bogged down about how perfect it should be or whatever. Just be happy with your look. I mean, your hair is perfect, okay? Your hair is perfect because you did it. You spent that time, you had that patience, and you kicked butt, okay? Darn nabbit. Yeah, I believe in you, darn it. Anyways, I had a ton of fun making this video. I will see you guys later, and I hope you enjoy my sexy YouTube spin around. Bye!